everyone, I am Janhavi Panwar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you guys are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. So everybody, this is 2024 and we have evolved a lot, you know. We have got too many robots out there, too many softwares, too many systems for us to do a lot of things. And one of those things is ChatGPT, which has been in trend for a long time now, you know. ChatGPT, what it actually is and how you can use it to improve your English or to basically improve any skill that you want to improve. But in this video, we're going to be specifically talking about English. ChatGPT is basically a tool, you know, it's an AI generated tool, artificial intelligence, which helps you with every query that you have. Yes, believe me, you know, if you want to write a research paper, this has it. If you have anything on your mind, if you want to share anything with it, it has it. You want tips on to learn anything, it has it. You're going through something bad and you share it with ChatGPT, it has it. So let's get started and let's see how you can actually use ChatGPT to improve your English language skills. Now, in a lot of videos, you're going to notice is that, you know, we improve our English using ChatGPT for vocabulary, for different sentences. But how about in this one, let's make it a twist and let's ask ChatGPT only, is that how can we use you to improve our English? So let's get started, everyone. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be asking our AI, our tool, is that how we can use you. First of all, we are going to say, hey, good morning, how are ya? So here we go. So we just started our conversation with, hey, good morning, how are ya? Good morning, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day starting off? Now, if you guys, what you can do, like if you really want to learn English, so you're gonna have to notice every single thing. For example, over here, we just saw, how's your day starting off? So how's your day starting off? Now, a lot of us, maybe we don't know the meaning of this. Like, what does it mean to say, how about you is fine? That means, how are you? But here it says, how's your day starting off? What does it mean? Now, what we can do, we can just ask ChatGPT itself, what does, and let's copy this from here, mean? Because we don't know what does it mean, so let's ask. When someone asks, how's your day starting off, they're inquiring about how your day is beginning or how things are going to so far. It's a way to check in and see how your morning or day is progressing. Basically, it's another way of saying, how are you? You know, if you gotta ask somebody, how are you? Instead of that, you can also say, how's your day starting off? That means, how's your day going? Now, our main question, let's go. How I can use you to improve my English. Let's go. Now it's going to give us different tips how I can use you to improve my English. Now, using me to improve your English can be quite beneficial. Here are some ways you can do it. So the first one we have is practice conversational English. Practice conversational English. What is conversational English? You know, communication, the kind of communication you and some other people are having. So basically, a lot of people, we have this question now, is that, Janhavi, we do not have anyone, you know, with whom should we talk? You can talk with this guy right here. He says it by himself, well, it says it, given it's a tool. Practice conversational English. Engage in conversations with me on various topics. This can help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures. So for example, you want to have a dialogue on anything. You can just start, how are you? And then it's going to say, oh, I'm good. What about you? So then you can say, I've been having a good day, or I've been having a bad day. So basically a conversation, it's going to give you more and more words. It's going to give you more and more sentence structures, and you can start learning from there. Next we have ask for clarifications. Now guys, I always say this, is that you guys have to read and listen more and more. And when you're reading and listening more and more, you come across different words, you come across different sentence structures. So for all of that, you can ask this guy right here, is that if you come across a word or a phrase you don't understand while talking to me, feel free to ask for clarification. For example, if I say the word rendezvous and you do not understand, oh, what did Janhavi say? What is rendezvous? So you can ask this guy, is that what is rendezvous? It's going to tell you the meaning. How can we use this? So it's going to tell you how you can use this. So you can ask for clarifications. Next we have learn new vocabulary. So you can ask me about the meanings of specific words or phrases you encounter while reading or listening. You can also ask for synonyms or antonyms to expand your vocabulary. So you can do that as well. Moving on, we have grammar practice. Now obviously, you know, if you guys if you've been watching my videos for a long time now, so you guys must be aware of this, I do not give a lot of time to grammar. You know, for grammar, I do not pay a lot of attention, do not pay a lot of focus to grammar. But yes, if you are someone who needs grammar in order to make your English skills even better, so you can, you know, take help of this guy. So you can practice different grammar concepts by constructing sentences and asking me to check them for correctness. Now, a lot of us, we have this confusion is that, okay, whether this sentence is correct, whether this sentence is not correct. So you can very simply ask this tool right here. And you know what's the best part of it? It's not going to judge you for anything, because a lot of us, we have this thing now, is that no, this person is going to judge us. This person is going to say, oh, you don't even know this. This is an AI tool. It's not going to judge you. No emotions, nothing at all. Next, we have writing practice. Write short essays, stories, or paragraphs on topic of interest. For example, you want to write, you know, on a topic, for example, there's a topic, water pollution. So you can just start writing over here. You can ask this guy, are any corrections, or you can even ask him for ideas. Next, we have language games. This is the most fun one out here. You can ask this for language games. Engage in language learning games or quizzes with me. This can make learning English more fun and interactive while also testing your knowledge. Obviously, you know, we guys, nobody wants a boring class. Nobody wants a boring process to learn English. So how about something fun? And this person right here, well, not person, this tool right here can help you. Now, the reason I say person and guy is because I think like this tool is basically my friend. I always consider him that. So let's get started. What more you can do? Now, in order to practice your vocabulary, you can ask this ChatGPT is that give me, well, 10 daily life English words to help me start my English learning journey. So if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start, obviously you're going to be needing new words. So for that, you can ask our tool over here is that give me 10 daily English words. So here are 10 everyday English words to help you kickstart your English learning journey. So the first one is hello, which you guys already know. Then we have goodbye, you know, bye-bye. Then we have please, obviously, which is an expression, a polite word to make request. So basically, these are very basic words, you know, these are just the starting words. Now, if you are at an intermediate level, so let's go. So I am an intermediate learner of English language. So give me words accordingly that I can use in my daily life. Let's go. Sure, here are 10 English words that are suitable for intermediate learners and commonly used in daily life. Now, if you guys know these, so these words, they are not very basic, you know, they're not very basic. They're and they're not even very advanced. They are at an intermediate level. So the first word we have is routine. Then we have efficient. Efficient means achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort of expense. So it has meaning as well as the word, meaning and word both. You do not need to go to a dictionary, cram different words. It has everything. Now the problem is that Janhavi, okay, fine, we cram the words, you know, we know the meaning of these words, but how to use these words in sentences? Let's take a look. So to use these words, to use different words in different sentences, we can ask this person right here, is that please, always use please and thank you, because this one right here, he's a very good one. So please use these words in sentences. Let's go. Of course, routine, efficient, adapt, challenge, opportunity, contribute, interact, prioritize, negotiate, evaluate. So now it has used all 10 of these words in different sentences. So same way you can start using these words. For example, the word challenge over here. Learning to play a musical instrument can be a rewarding but challenging experience. So now you can see how to use challenge. And you already know the meaning of challenge because we have already just found out over here. A task or situation that tests somebody's abilities or resources. So we have got sentences, we have got vocabulary. Now the next thing that you can do with ChatGPT is that if you really want to know games, if you really want to learn a language with games, so we can ask him right here is that let's play a game which will help me in improving my English. Let's go, let's search for this game. Sure, I'd love to play a game to help you improve your English. How about we play a word association game? here's how it works. Word association, I don't know if you guys know this, but there used to be a crossword puzzle, you know, a word crossword puzzle. I used to do it a lot, where we had to associate and merge different words. So the same one you can do it. So how's the game? I'll start by saying a word, then you reply with the first word that comes to your mind when you hear that word. Basically, this person, well, the tool, it will say a word, and then whatever comes to your mind regarding that, you say that. After that, I'll respond with a word based on your word, and so on. So let's give it a try, everyone. Okay, so the word is, great, the word is sun. What comes to our mind with sun? Okay, the word comes ray. See, the best part about ChatGPT is that it notices everything. And you can also, you know, when you see, you circle back to the initial word. So here is a new sentence for you that you can use. So let's try to think of a new word related to bright. How about shine? Have you seen a better English teacher? I mean, better than me, come on guys. So have you seen a better English teacher? So the word is shine. Now the thing is, now we're done with words. How about we play a sentence game? How about we play a sentence game? Because my sentence structures are weak. So let's go. Absolutely, let's play a sentence game. Here's how it works. So now what's it gonna do? It's gonna be providing you with a starting phrase or a word. You'll then build a sentence around that word or phrase, focusing on using correct grammar and vocabulary. After you have constructed your sentence, I can provide feedback or suggestions for improvement if needed. Okay, so it's gonna give you a sentence, you're gonna form a sentence, and then it's also gonna tell you whether your sentence is correct or not. Great, here's your starting phrase, on a sunny day. Okay, so on a sunny day. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna intentionally make a mistake over here. On a sunny day, I were playing. It has to be I was playing, but I'm intentionally making this mistake to see whether it's gonna correct me or not. Good start. Let's make a few adjustments for correct grammar and clarity. So on a sunny day, instead of I were playing, it has to be I was playing. All right? Another thing that ChatGPT can help you with is your different situations, different conversations. So what kind of different situations do we come across in our daily life, you know? For example, meeting a friend. So let's ask this, is that if I am meeting a friend after a long time, what conversation can we have in English? Let's go. So it can help you with your conversation. So meeting a friend after a long time can lead to all sorts of conversation, and here's a possible conversation you could have. So you say, hey, it's been so long since we last saw each other. How have you been? So you're asking your friend, oh, it's been a long time, you know, so how have you been? Basically, how are you? I know, it feels like ages. So what do we find over here? It feels like ages. What is it feels like ages? It means it's literally been a long time. I've been good, thanks. How about you? Oh, I've been all right, keeping busy with work and stuff. So if you have been busy, so you can say keeping busy with working stuff. You do not have to say, oh, I was busy. No, you have a better way to say this. Keeping busy with working stuff. What have you been up to lately? Well, I started a job a few months ago and it's been keeping me pretty occupied. But aside from that, not much else has changed. How about you? So basically, guys, you can start learning, you can improve a lot of things with this. It can help you with your vocabulary. What did we learn over here? Your vocabulary, clarifications, sentence structures, conversations, clarifications for anything, you know, any grammar thing, and then you can also hold a conversation. Now this is the last tip for this video, is that now this is a situation, you know, a situational conversation, meeting a friend, going to plan a party, going to a party, meeting your boss, going for an interview, so many different situations. But now let's have an actual conversation. So let's have a dialogue, and you make improvements wherever needed. So you can have a conversation. Basically, this guy is your friend. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Okay, I'm here to assist you. We can continue with the dialogue whenever you're ready. If there's anything else you'd like to do, just let me know. Okay. I have been not feeling good. Whatever you're feeling, whatever you have on your mind, I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. Is there anything specific bothering you? It started with the dialogue again. Basically, you can share anything. You can have a dialogue with this person right here. And, you know, if you're feeling, for example, if you're doing good, if you have a party tomorrow, so you can ask, oh, I'm very confused about the party, what should I wear? Have a conversation in English. Whenever you want to learn a language, it's very important that you have that conversation. So in this video, what we have learned is that you can use ChatGPT for your grammar, for your clarifications, for your spellings as well, obviously, because when it's going to clarify you, it's going to improve your spellings as well, for your conversations, game playing, engaging. And let's get back to the first point that we had over here. For your writing practice, for learning new vocabulary and new words. So start using ChatGPT, and guys, it's free. Come on, what's stopping you? This is free. And as for me, I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. And make sure to tell me, make sure to comment down in the comment section below is that how have you used ChatGPT to improve your English? And also, this video is not sponsored by anything. This is just an amazing, amazing tool. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye everyone, stay safe.